a lovely session of curry leaf rice. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I am Pastor Jaykumar. This is going to be a lunchbox session. You're going to have this in your lunchbox because it's going to be really healthy and yummy. Let's look into how to do this curry leaf rice. Just heat a small pan. Add 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Gingerly oil is preferable, depends, but if you are having any other cooking oil, you can use that. Now add the urad dal and the coriander seeds. Now add a small piece of tamarind to this. They also get roasted, so you get a nice powder out of it. Now let's remove it. Now to the same vessel, after removing the dal, we can add the cleaned and washed curry leaves. Now 5 minutes we have been roasting this curry leaves. I can get a nice aroma and smell of the curry leaves. So what we are going to do is add the sesame seeds and the red chilies. Again, red chilies you will have to see, it depends on the spice and hot which you would require for your family. It can be 1, 2, 3 or it can be even lesser than this. Just add everything together, allow it to cool, and then we will put it into our mixer jars and make a fine powder. Now this has cooled down completely. Let's transfer this to the mixer jar. Now to the same vessel, we are going to just 1 or 2 minutes we are going to fry the groundnuts and the turmeric powder. We're not adding any oil here. Just fry this and then we'll add it to the rice. This is completely optional or your wish. If you want, you can add some cashews also instead of groundnuts. We have the cooked rice with us. It's already cooled down. So let's add some gingerly oil or any cooking oil of your wish. Now we are going to add the required amount of salt here. We did not add any salt in the powder, so hence we are adding it here. Now add the ground curry leaf mixture. Now add the groundnuts and turmeric powder to this. So here we have our curry leaf rice ready for the tiffin box to be packed, and it's very healthy. No harm in knowing any new dish or the latest dishes, but it's very harmful to forget our traditional dishes. So don't forget, do try this healthy and a lovely traditional recipe and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza, and for your multiple recipes visit dosapizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye.